again and welcome back to my channel. I hope that in this season you have a great and blessed time with family and friends. I hope you enjoy Thanksgiving and then Christmas. So let's start. Today I wanted to drink one of my biggie ones that everybody loved. It was one of the, I think, fan favorites so far. And I loved it too. So I got this new drink today. It's a sparkling water beverage. But look the size of it. It was the big one that I did on my Halloween stream. This time it's black and blueberry flavor. So I am super excited to try it with you today. Let's see. Okay, so I have a coaster or whatever that thing is. And so far, it doesn't sound super bubbly, but I already had one of this entirely peach flavor. So today I wanted to go adventurous and try something new. Bottoms up! Oh. If this was a challenge, I will have to drink all of this without burping. So this is bigger than the normal size for the Sprite challenge. Let's see what I can do. I hear the bubbly in the bottle and in my stomach. Oh. 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 Okay, wait. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, wait. Oh. Oh my god. Ugh. My heart is racing. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, this one hurt. It hurt so much. I just drink 1 liter, and I don't even know this size. That's 33.8 ounces, 1/4. I just drink 1 liter nonstop of sparkling water, and my stomach felt like it was going to explode. I I am so sorry. I am not interested of doing the Sprite challenge, but this was a challenge on itself. My stomach still hurts. Oh, I drank it so fast, I was starting to shake. Like I wanted to cry so bad. Oh, okay. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh. I can't get them out. I can't get them out. I wanted to look cute for this video, and I wanted to be nice and sweet and funny, and that didn't work out. I really hope you had a laugh, because I just did. Instead of crying, I got so scared. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Ah. Oh my god. I feel like my heart is palpitating in my stomach. It was so bad. My nose watered. And that is the truth of today. Okay, so I'm getting closer. I'm feeling much better. I'm getting closer to the end. Okay, wait. Super important. Okay. Okay. That's much better. Okay. Okay. Whoa. um. Yep. So. Yep. This is why, my dear, loving, amazing, and unbelievable fans, I get so scared when somebody asks me to do a challenge. That's why I really don't like challenges and I don't see myself doing them. I'm really, really sorry. I drink this nonstop though. This is big. This is so big. My stomach, you can hear it gurgling on some part of the video. Okay, let me see. I think we're good. I think we have reached the end. Wait. The flavor was good. I think. Excuse me. I am so sorry. Oh my god. I got so scared. Okay, I'm feeling better. I am going to be bloated for an hour or so. A little bit, a little bit less now, but yep, that happened. I think I can breathe now. It feels like it's over here. It's like, oh. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. This is the Sprite dress. The Sprite. There you go. It's right here. It's on my chest. It got stuck on my chest. The chi. We're moving the chi. Oh, burping the baby. Feel better. My heart is not palpitating through my stomach anymore, which means that I am actually more comfortable now and it doesn't hurt as much as when I just didn't stop. I breathe a little bit. I breathe a little bit and just swallow the water, swallow the water. We are good to go. Thank you so much for joining me again. I hope everybody has a great weekend, a wonderful week next time. And then soon after, you are ready to eat a bunch of food and good stuff on Thanksgiving with family and friends because you deserve it. Sorry. So, tune again for another video next time. And in the meantime, please take care, be safe, stay blessed. And I send you my best love, my best vibes, and my company through the distance with this hug. Please take care. I will read you. See you soon again.